Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a flexi rod set and I'm using the blue ones for the back of my hair because it's a little bit longer, and I'm using the red ones for the front of my hair. I haven't done a flexi rod set in a long time. Today I will be using African Pride products that I have not tried before, and this is a non-sponsored post. So let's get into it. I put my leave-in in when my hair is still wet. If I'm in the shower, I will put it in after I rinse out my deep conditioner, and I leave it in for a couple of minutes, maybe 15 minutes or more, and go on about my day. My leave-in was already placed. Maybe it will help if I actually open it first. So let's open it. Damn. Only need a little bit because I'm gonna work this section, this little section in my hair. It says it has good hold. It smells like butterscotch. It smells really good. Ooh, yes, look. I just added a little bit. Wait. Curl mousse towards my ends, my blue rods, and to get that placement like popping, you gotta make sure you are putting it tight, and then you're gonna brush it and keep wrapping it nice and tight around this rod. The tighter, the better. The tighter, the better. And that's for many reasons, okay? It helps with the definition, and it helps to keep that hair slicked down on here. And what you could tight, because you could tell by the way they're on here that they're just going to be a bomb flexi rod set. Now the only other key is to let them completely dry. So stay tuned for the takedown. Hey y'all, so I'm back. I slept in my rods overnight. I did not go under the dryer at all because I had a hectic day yesterday. So we're going to take these down and we're going to hope for the best. I am going to be using the Moisture, Miracle, Castor, Grapeseed, Argan, Coconut, and Olive Oil. So basically it has 5 essential oils with vitamin E, and it is by African Pride line. You want to coat your hands with oil before you start your takedown. It helps with frizz a lot. And we're going to look at the ends. The ends are good, the moisture is there, the definition is there. So So these are the results from the takedown. You see the moisture, you see the definition. We're gonna begin to separate these curls. You wanna make sure you're coating the curl. And when you separate them, take your time, do it slowly, and then twirl it in the direction. All right, so it's curling this way. So we're gonna make sure it's separated, and make sure at the roots it's separated too, so that when you pick it, you can pick it properly. So it's now all separated. So now I'm gonna work on lifting my roots to get more volume. So to get more volume, you wanna take the pick like this and slightly pull it up. Do not go all the way to your ends because that's how you get frizz. So you just basically are lifting the roots. Okay, so this is the final look. We got a little bit of volume on day one. We got definition, and it will get bigger and bigger as the days go by. If you like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button, press that like button, leave a comment, follow me on Instagram at tipofalltrades_. Thank you for tuning in.